here's the second page of Project 2. Let's take a look at it. So we're given a check register. This includes a transaction type, the date the transaction was made, a description of the transaction, payments and debits, so these are items that are subtracted from my balance, deposits, credits, these are things that are added to my balance, and then a rolling list of my balance. So notice each line is a separate transaction, okay? And then again, this right-hand column, the balance, is keeping a running tab of what my balance is. So if I look at this blank box that I have to fill in, clearly some deposit or some credit was given to me on June 5th. So I need to see how much that deposit was, and I'll figure it out by looking at my current balance of $1,529.71 and looking at my old balance of $279.71. So I ask myself, what deposit would have been made to go from my old balance of $279.71, so then some deposit was made, and now I have a new balance of $1,529.71. So you plug in what you know, which is the old and new balance, and you use that information to solve for your deposit. Same thing for this box. This time it's not a deposit, it's an amount of money, a debit or a payment, right? It was subtracted from your balance, but the reasoning is the same. So I had $1,529.21, and then some amount of money was taken out, and now I have $1,528.71. So I ask myself, I look at my old balance, I subtract off whatever payments or debits were made, and that's how I get my new balance. So once again, I'll fill in what I know, which is the old balance and the new balance, and solve for whatever payment must have been made. The last piece is we have to find balance. So this is a bit more straightforward. We look at our previous balance of $1,021.48, and we see that a payment of $85.55 was made. So what's our new balance going to be? So we'll use this equation. Again, starting with my old balance, this payment of $85.55 was made, and now I have this new balance. Now to fill out the final box, I'll take that new balance, right? So I'm representing it with a smiley face. I'll take that new balance. There was another payment or debit. So once again, I'll use this equation. Old balance, which is this guy, minus this payment, will give me my final balance.